for the fact that we want to prove that R4 is one again. So R4 should be equaling to R3. So these two things should be equal. You see that again? So this one should be equaling to this one. Okay, no problem, no problem. Then we'll go to a statement then. So we saw the question, this is what we're supposed to prove. Let's go on to the statement. According to the statement, they are saying we have, in the diagram alongside, we have a tangent at point R. So we do have a tangent. Once you have a tangent, it means that you can have tan chord theorem. Okay, let's go and look for the tan chord theorem. So if we look for the tan chord theorem, it means I can say, I got this angles that I'm looking for. So I'm going to go with the tan chord theorem. So let's go with this one. It says, which is this one here. It's an angle between a tangent and a chord. Which chord is that? AR. Chord AR. So who's created by AR? Who's subtracted by AR?
T1.
T1. Yeah, so I will say this one is equal to this one again. So this one is going to be equal to this one. So I will start there. So I will start by saying, okay, but now R4 is going to be equal to what? To T1. And then the reason why I'm saying this is because I have tan chord theorem. Okay. Okay. The reason why I'm I know which I still have another tan chord theorem this side, but I want to go with things that I'm looking for. So I decided not to go to this side. But we can do it. But for now, because I need to know these two things are equal. So in other words, I'm trying to check who's equal to R4. Well, R4 is equal to T1. So I made it to be red. Okay, fine. What else can I say? What else can I say? Let's continue with the statement. So I've used the tangent again, according to the person that I'm looking for. Okay. Then I also have chord 80. So you have your chord 80. And then you also have your chord MR, which they intersected P. They're not bisecting, but they intersect. It means which they, yeah. And then, but check what else are we given? You were given which we have T1, which is equivalent to what? To T2. Okay, in other words, if this one is red again, it means this one is also going to be what? To be red. So in other words, I can say, okay, but now T1 is equivalent to T2 again. This one is given. One. So I will say this one here is given. But it makes this to be equal to what? To our R4. Agree, R4 is equal to T1. So we will come and say, okay, but now let's just remind ourselves here. It doesn't look like an R4 here. So you'll say this one here is your R4. R4 is equal to T1 because we have a tan chord theorem. But this one is equal to this one because that thing is given again. Okay. So now I'm going to look for who's equal to T2 now. You see that here? Who's equal to T2? R3. Okay. Why is T2 equal to R3? It's because I have angles in same sec. Wow. But now look at this one. I get it like T2 is equal to R4. Yeah, then it means therefore I can conclude which R3 is going to be equal to what? To R4, because both of them are equal to what? To T2.